is the International Baking Industry Exposition. IBIE is our biggest baking trade show in the industry in North America. It only happens every 3 years. So we're here to showcase the best of what we got. And this year our theme is really all about the art of baking. We see baking through a different lens. So we had Duff Goldman from Food Network, and also his team at Charm City Cakes did some incredible artwork.
I love celebrating the art of baking. I love celebrating what I do. I love celebrating what other people in the industry are doing. And so being able to come here and share that with all these people, that's really exciting.
It's too easy to sort of dismiss the commercial baking industry as a sort of food manufacturing machine. The reality is, at the heart of everything that every bakery does is art. We now have the Dough performance artists back out, and they're attracting a crowd again. John Doe is walking the floor, and of course our very talented technical sales team are speaking to all of the customers and potential customers about the products we offer.
IBIE is incredible, right? You're talking 25,000 people, 100 different countries, a lot of machinery, a lot of baking technology and ingredients, a lot of suppliers, could be packaging. So there's a lot going on here. So by creating an art gallery in a space, bringing in an artist like Duff Goldman, a sculpturist like Harry P. Muller, a donut mosaic incredible creator like Candace CMC, also showcasing the creativity that we have in our ingredients through the Bergen brand in terms of ingredients that are really focused on wholesome, healthful, non-GMO type of solutions. And now we're bringing that also to our industrial customer. It's all coming together, and it's been a really nice set to showcase what we're doing.